Hello everybody. We are just gonna jump straight into it. We're starting in the kitchen. It needs a lot of work. The fridge is looking super gross. The pantry is looking gross, and everything just feels a little bit unorganized and messy. So let's go ahead and get into that today. Funny story, our bed frame has just been slowly breaking over the last month, and last night the mattress was like leaning more onto one side than the other, like weighing it down. And I told Michael, it was like right when we were about to go to sleep, I told Michael, I was like, babe, let's fix the mattress. Like, I think this is like, in my head I was like, I think this is gonna break the bed. But he's like, no, it's all right. And I was like, okay, whatever. Like, he needed to go to sleep for work, so I was like, okay. And then like 30 minutes later, I just hear the bed like slowly breaking. I was like, oh my God, I think it's breaking. And then it just broke, and I was like, babe, he was asleep already. So I was like, babe, it's breaking. So then he had to get up and go to Zara's room to sleep for a little bit, and I just took the bed apart. And I'm happy though, because now we get a new bed frame now. And the other one was just it was just broken, you know? The mattress that we have is from Nectar, and I love our mattress. It is so comfortable. It was worth, like, it's an investment. Invest in a mattress. But the bed frame that came with the mattress was so cheap. It had already broken on us before, but they were nice enough to send us like a replacement piece. But I would never ever purchase a bed frame from Nectar ever again, because it's just so cheap. But I found one on Amazon that was $100, and it had like 45,000 great reviews. So fingers crossed. I'm cleaning the stove right now, but I also show how I like to get it super clean later in the video. This is just like how I clean it for every day, but later on I show how to get rid of a lot of the scratches and just, stubborn dirt and grime that won't come off. We went to a buffet the other day, and I feel like my plate that I served myself was so different than what I usually get. Usually I get a lot of Italian food, but literally this time I got shrimp and lemon and Caesar salad and garlic bread, and I feel like that is just such a strange combination. And me and my sister-in-law were looking at everybody's plates, and we're like, it's interesting to see what people get at a buffet, you know? I am making Zara just a quick, easy snack. It's pumpkin applesauce that I grabbed from Sprouts, and then I throw it in this reusable pouch. We love these pouches. We've been using them for about a year now. They're quick, convenient, and you can reuse them. But throughout the video, I'll kind of just show a couple snacks that I make for her, just because it was what I was doing and I was already filming. I love the holidays and all the things that come with it, so I've been thinking about what we're gonna be for Halloween. Well, not so much Halloween, but a Halloween party that we're having for Zara's birthday. And right now, I think Zara will be Daisy, I will be Princess Peach, and Michael can be Luigi or Mario, because it'll go with either of us, and I just think it's so cute. So I saw somebody on TikTok saying that this isn't a chore that they do often, scrubbing down their sink. And I was like, you don't scrub down your sink every time you clean the kitchen? What do? You just spray it down? I scrub it down every single time I'm cleaning the kitchen. I just see, why not? You're already there cleaning, so why not just scrub it down? But is that something that you guys do every time you clean the kitchen? Or is it a chore every, once a week? How do people just not do that? Since moving to the new house, we have had such a huge problem with flies. I don't know what it is, because the outside is not dirty. There's not trash around or anything like that, but we just have such a huge fly problem. So I was doing some research and seeing what I could do, and I found these plugins at Target called Zevo, and it's that blue light right there in the kitchen. I have one downstairs and upstairs, and the light just attracts flies onto the sticky pad, and they get stuck there, and it works amazing. This is kind of a little investment, because it's $20 for the plug-in and then a pack, a sticky pack, but then refills after that I think are $5 or $10. I can't remember, but it is so worth it because it actually works. I haven't done a grocery haul in a long time, so right now is just a little glimpse of all the groceries that we got today. And it was perfect because I needed to clean the pantry, so I was like, you know what, let's just film a pantry clean out and a grocery haul. The price of groceries has just been increasing over months now, and so I've noticed that a lot of the little things that we get, like these waffles, that's the first time I can think of since I'm looking at it right now, they're cheaper at Target than they are at Walmart, and I'm just like slowly hating more and more on Walmart because I don't know, the crowd there is just different than Target, like, let's be honest, you know. So that's why, I don't know, I just been liking to grocery shop a little bit at Target more since things are cheaper, or maybe like pennies more. Like, why not just go to Target? The pantry's not that bad right now. There were just like a few crumbs or like food stains, so I just went ahead and swept out the crumbs, wiped down the shelves, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add in all of our new groceries. I do try my best to have some sort of system in the pantry, just because if you don't, things just get thrown in anywhere. And I feel like maybe I should add like bins to the top so that the bread and the chips like can stay a little bit more organized. Now the freezer, how does this happen? You know, like there's literally just corn thrown into the freezer bin. Like, oh my gosh. So me cleaning the fridge and the freezer out is just a lot of before and afters, because it was kind of hard to like have the camera set up and not keep bumping into it. So that's why I just went ahead and did some before and afters. I organized the cheese drawer, veggie drawer, and then the third drawer is our meat drawer. Another quick and easy snack, just some pretzels, cheese cubes, and a fruit. My sister had gotten us the little glass containers, and I love them. They make everything just look so much more organized and pretty. I don't remember when, but I know they are on Amazon, so I can go ahead and have those linked along with the labels that I put on there. And all of the links that I do have in my description box are affiliate links, so I get some commission. Nothing like crazy, but I do get submission if that is something you're comfortable with. You can go ahead and purchase any of my favorite cleaning items, organization items, all in the description box. Or if you don't feel comfortable with that, you can just find the name of the item and then input it into your web browser and purchase it that way. When I'm refilling these containers, I like to try and put all of the old stuff at the top so you use it first, you know, and that way all the new, whatever you're using, is at the bottom. I've been trying a lot of pumpkin items, like all the seasonal food items, and that includes those baking chips I just put into the container. And I don't like them. They don't like, I don't know, they don't really taste like pumpkin to me, so it felt like a waste. We use a lot of cheese in the house, so what we've been doing is buying like a 2-pound block of cheese and just shredding it ourselves, because it's so much cheaper that way than just buying an actual bag of shredded cheese. And you get a lot. Like, I got all of this cheese and there's still like a quarter of the block left. I've been on the hunt for the best pumpkin creamer, and I've tried a lot. I think I've tried like 5 or 6 different creamers, and my top 2 are the Chobani, and then I think it's Nature's Bliss. I'll have to double check, but those 2 are the best ones that I've tried. I don't like the Starbucks one. It tastes too watered down, and the Target one is also really good too, but Chobani and Nature's Bliss are the top 2. This is how I like to deep clean the glass stovetop, so I'll just use Easy Off, and I like to use Saran Wrap, but we haven't had it, so I'm just using paper towels for now, and I'll let that sit on there for like a couple hours. The longer you let it sit, the better it works, and then it makes it like brand new. We have reached the end of the video. It was a quick one, but we got a lot done. I hope you were able to get the motivation that you needed. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you later.